Well, everybody, I have divided people here. I have made so many teams here. They will be observing, they will be going outside, they are gonna explore so many things outside, and they will be finding the best way to have one startup. It's very important to observe. Nothing happens without observation. So something is gonna happen because of observation. What happened?
We are absorbed in park. Yeah.
No, you have to go outside. I'm coming to you. I'll tell you everything
Okay, so about like business या anything.
about business. Just, I mean,
कि
how
why
to.
business या फिर why
No, no, no.
government job?
What kind of business should we start?
Okay.
लाइक स्टार्टअप कैसे एक शुरुआत किया जाए एक व्यापार के लिए,
Okay.
लाइक शॉप से, सब्जी से, जहाँ पे कम पैसा और बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल, राइट? या एवरीबॉडी, सो आई एम कंपेलिंग पीपल, आई एम मोटिवेटिंग पीपल to motivate themselves, the first thing, and I am just insisting on them going somewhere, observing somewhere, and let them find the best way to have a startup. So did you understand everything? Simply 0 rupees, big startup. Come on, hurry up. So hey, you have to find, you have to tell the best way to have a startup. Okay?
Best way to
Like 0 rupees. How can we start? Like selling vegetables or doing what? You have to share the best way. Maybe, I mean, after the observation, you have to go outside after some time. You have to observe with your team members, and you have to find the best way. You have to discuss with your members, and after, when you have to present yourself in front of these people, so you have to tell the best way. That, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you the best way to have a startup. So first, you should do this one. So you should buy one tomato for 5 rupees and sell it for 10 rupees, and then buy one cauliflower, and like this, tell the best idea to have a startup.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yeah.
Please. Hey guys,
Sir, what's the subject like the as
the
a
object नहीं, the objective हमारा ये है कि हम एक, मान लीजिए बेरोजगार हैं, हम एक स्टूडेंट हैं, हमें बाहर जाके, अभी बाहर जाना है आप सबको, हमें ऑब्जर्व करना है, कुछ देखकर, कुछ दुकान देखकर, कुछ शॉप देखकर, कुछ सब्जी की दुकान देखकर, कुछ पंचर बनाने वाले को देखकर, हमें वो नोटिस करना है कि अगर ये किया जाए तो कैसा रहेगा, हमें स्टार्टअप कैसा किया जाए जिससे हम अपना व्यापार बना सकें। या फिर कोई बिजनेस आपने देखा कि कोई छोला भटूरा बेच रहा है, अब हो सकता है उसके पास 2-3 कस्टमर आए, आप जाके बात करना उनसे कि अंकल आप कितना कमा लेते हैं, अच्छा इतना, कितना छोला भटूरा बेच लेते हैं, इतना, अंकल मेरे पास एक आइडिया है, अगर आप इसको ऑनलाइन बेचें, उनको आप मोटिवेट भी कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है? और आप यहाँ पर आके बताइएगा हमने एक अंकल को मोटिवेट किया ज़बरदस्त बिजनेस करने के लिए, जैसे छोला भटूरा बेच रहा है वो, अब छोला भटूरा के हम लोग वीडियो बनाएंगे, हम कहेंगे अंकल आप छोला भटूरा की वीडियो बनाएं और उसी वीडियो को आप स्पॉन्सर करिए। स्पॉन्सर कैसे करेंगे? गूगल से करेंगे। स्पॉन्सर कैसे करेंगे? हम वेबसाइट से करेंगे। स्पॉन्सर कैसे करेंगे? यूट्यूब पे करेंगे। अब जब लोग छोला भटूरा देखेंगे तो वो ऑर्डर करेंगे, तो हम जोमेटो से एफिलिएट करके बेच सकते हैं। तो एक आइडिया होगा, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? तो आपको ये आइडिया बताना पड़ेगा कि हम वही छोला भटूरा जो गली में है उसको हम बड़े बिजनेस में कैसे तब्दील कर सकते हैं, कैसे बदलाव ला सकते हैं। क्लियर? तो यही ऑब्जर्व करना है हमें, कैसे पंक्चर वाले को ऑनलाइन लाया जाए। अब देखो पंक्चर वाला ऑनलाइन इम्पॉसिबल है, बट हो सकता है। कैसे होगा बताइए?
somewhere
हाँ,
passengers on the highway,
Yeah.
and that time car and bike
Puncture?
that time online search and
ऑफ कोर्स, वेरी नाइस, बहुत ज़बरदस्त। तो यही सब सारी चीज़ आपको ऑब्जर्व करना, पंक्चर बोल देना है कि हम लोग इस पंक्चर का थोड़ा सोचें। कभी कभी क्या होता है, जंगल में पंक्चर हो जाती बाइक, कभी कभी जो है खेत में हो जाती पंक्चर बाइक, तो हमें क्या करना है, एक एप्लीकेशन डिज़ाइन करना है। एप्लीकेशन डिज़ाइन करके उस पर नंबर देना है, वो कॉल करेगा, हमारे पास कई एम्प्लॉयज़ रहेंगे, तुरंत पहुँचेंगे वहाँ पर।
time transport is not available.
डिजिटल इंडिया, लाइक रैपिडो, ऑफ कोर्स, राइट? तो ये सब आइडियाज़ है बिजनेस के। कंटिन्यू डिस्कसिंग प्लीज।
I'm not speak. I'm not. Some people like judge me and judge us.
And first of all, we believe we ourselves.
Yeah, of course. So when you speak, so that time you think about I'm leader.
आप सबने कुछ अनबिलीवेबल चीज़ें बतानी है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फल फ्रूट्स को कैसे ऑनलाइन बेचा जाए, जैसे अभी आपको जब प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे तो आप लोग बोलना कि वी वेंट टू कपूरथला चौराहा, वी सॉ अ पर्सन हु वाज सेलिंग बनाना, but he was able to sell 1 dozen banana in one day. So I have better idea to sell it online. Now how? I will design one application and the name of application will be Sonam Fruit, right? And that application I will sponsor by so many sites, like websites. I will promote that application and I will run so many ads by showing the banana. And here there are so many students live here in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, right? They will be seeing my videos because I will sponsor the video of banana. By sitting at their homes, by sitting at their rooms, they will order banana. And I will hire so many employees to deliver that banana. Easily I can deliver that. So the same uncle who was selling 1 dozen banana, because of my application, uncle will be able to sell more than 100 bananas, more than 100 dozens of banana. So this is the idea for a startup. Do you understand that or not? So many things are there, like so many beauty parlors are there. How can we just have a startup for beauty parlor? Like doing job is not everything. Doing job is fine. For some years you can do. But we should have idea. We should have individual ideas how we can start. अब बताइए छत्तीसगढ़ में एक महिला चिप्स बना के बताइए एंटरप्रेन्योर बन गई, करोड़पति बन गई, सिर्फ आलू की जो है पापड़ बना के। हमारी माताएं जो है पापड़ बनाती घर पे रह गई, हमारी माताएं अच्छी अच्छी रोटी बनाती घर पे रह गई। तो हमें क्या करना है, एक आइडिया बेहतर चलाना है, हमें मोटिवेट करना है सारे बच्चों को कि लेट्स हैव ए स्टार्टअप। और हमारे मोदी जी भी कहते हैं कि स्वयं का विकास और स्वयं का रोजगार। अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? तो आप आइडियाज अभी ढूंढना है, अभी आप डिस्कस कर लें और बाहर जाके ऑब्जर्व करें जबरदस्त तरीके से। क्लियर? क्या मो है तशिन भाई, हो you came late? No problem, buddy.
There is some issues with my scooty that
Oh my God, scooty is just like making you guilty. All right. Hey guys, how are you? Is everything going well? Really? Let me tell you the last thing, everybody, because we have to go outside as well. Let's motivate this generation of 21st century that how to have better ideas to have a startup. Like so many puncture makers, they are, kind of making puncture. Do you think we can promote it for online as well? Like so many things are online. We can buy clothes, we can buy so many things online. Do you think puncture can be promoted online? Huh? Do you think?
Yes.
Of course it can be. It can be. So this is the idea. The idea, for example, I will design one application just like Rapido. Let's suppose someone is going somewhere and his bike is punctured in the jungle. Let's suppose Kukrail jungle in Lucknow only, right? So that application will be helpful for that person. He will be calling, excuse me, sir. Yeah, this is Raymond. Actually, my bike got punctured here in Kukrail jungle. Can you come here? The person will say that, yes, I'm coming within 10 minutes. Then he will reach there and he will make puncture and come back there. That's a better idea. Maybe you will find a person making puncture in front of Welltalk office. There's a puncture maker. Go and talk to him and tell him, motivate him, sir, आप ऑनलाइन इसको लेकर जाइए। अगर वो नहीं लेके जाना चाहते, आप अपने आप को मोटिवेट करो, यदि मैं एप्लीकेशन बनाऊंगा, यहाँ पे आके इन लोगों को मोटिवेट करो कि मेरे भाई, तेरा सो मेनी पंक्चर वाला, we have to make one application. Exactly, application बनाना is very easy nowadays, right? और उस एप्लीकेशन को प्रमोट कैसे करना है? स्पॉन्सरशिप से। हमें वीडियोस बनाने हैं, हमें वेबसाइट के थ्रू उसको स्पॉन्सर देने हैं। तो द पॉइंट आई वांट टू से इज दैट यू हैव टू मोटिवेट पीपल फॉर बेटर स्टार्टअप। पंक्चर वाज माय पॉइंट फॉर यू, यू कैन थिंक बेटर देन पंक्चर वाला। ऑलराइट, प्लीज थिंक द बेस्ट, वी हैव टू गो आउटसाइड। ऑलराइट, कम ऑन। हे गाइस, it's okay, he can join you, right? Find a problem. So did you find any way?
yes.
See, for better startup, there are so many ways, right? But you have to speak the best, then you will be able to win. There are so many people, how will you win? That's a big question. अब इसको कैसे बेचा जाए? ये भी startup.
Yes, it is.
This is also a startup. Come on. It should be. Come on. It should be. Now tell me, how can we sell this? How can we start up for this grass?
To make flowers like
To make flowers? Yes.
Then in bouquets.
Yeah.
And then we can sell.
We can sell it, of course, right? And anything more?
So startup comes from the problems. We can not sell it here. We can sell it in the mid of the city because there is not it.
It is not available there.
It is not available there, and there is need of it. The people know the
How
need.
can you generate traffic to buy this?
Yeah, by decorating these things.
Okay.
First of decorate, then find the need where is the need it, and then go there and
How
sell.
can people know that you are selling this?
There are so many ways nowadays.
Like
YouTube,
how?
Instagram, and many e-commerce websites also.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you guys have to find the best solution, right? I mean, observe this building. How can we promote a penthouse for this building, right? You can think about chola bhatura. How can we? Of course. I mean, we have to go outside. We have to observe that chola bhatura. You can go and talk to uncle. Maybe uncle is able to sell chola bhatura. Maybe 20 piece. Right, but by promoting by some applications or by affiliating with Zomato and Swiggy, we can sell more chola bhatura, right? So this is the idea for a startup, right? And zero money, like we are students here, how we can start a business so that we can become famous, right? Because see, we in this 21st century, we are very much busy in becoming a job holder. That's a problem. I mean, for few months it is fine, except army, defense, that and civil services. Other jobs are not appreciable nowadays, right?
Like private job.
Private job, that's not appreciable, of course, right?
Recently, I resigned job 28,000 in hand.
Exactly. Oh my goodness. What was the reason to resign?
Because communication skills very low.
Oh my goodness.
In English,
Don't do job. Learn English, develop your personality, do something else.
my qualification is I am completed MBA from NIT College in Greater Noida.
See, qualification does not matter. What is my qualification? Nobody knows my of course, nobody asks, right? The quality of yours matters a lot. Build your quality, right? Exactly. No one will ask you, buddy. Nobody will ask you, right? तो आप सब लोग एक collectively please एक solution ढूंढे कि क्या किया जाए, क्योंकि इनको motivate करना, इनसे बेहतर बोलेंगे तभी जीत पाएंगे आप. All right, discuss. We have to go after some time. Hey guys, how are you doing?
Yeah, we are doing fantastic, sir.
So I just have had words with everybody.
Yes, sir.
They have better ideas, right? Of course. What did you discuss? Excuse me, Hema.
We discussed lots of things like Sahid start, please tell.
Hema, have this please. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Sir, as I already mentioned that I want to be a teacher, right? As education is the best way through which we can generate the money, and it is also it is a best field where we can connect with the people as well. Because I have seen in the society that the people are struggling with the English language, so I want to eliminate and remove this problem from the people, especially from the village area, and even I can earn lots of money, and we can live a luxurious life as well.
Okay, so you wanna take You wanna take education as a business, right? I mean that is fine.
That is fine, sir.
But what would you be observing outside?
Actually, it's a kind of also observation that a teacher teaching in the institute, as well he's earning and spreading the knowledge as well.
Beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. I mean, this is your thought, which you thought right now.
No, we have individual thought.
Okay, what about other people? Are they with you? Are they with you?
Yeah, Priyansh, sir.
After observation, I would like to open electronic things. Just like
So you have multiple things to start.
We should start
No, you
working.
have to have one thing actually.
one topic.
Of course. Exactly. You have to give title that this
Oh, the
business.
startup title.
Of course, startup title. Just like जहाँ पंचर वहाँ हम. हाँ, मतलब अगर पंचर की हम दुकान से आपको डेवलप कर रहे हैं.
Maybe jhalmuri.
हाँ, exactly. झाल मूड़ी something.
Chai wala.
Of course, something like that. You have to give one title and then start up, right? If you are promoting one education thing, then don't tell like people do. Like if you are telling that we have to start one institution and from there we can educate people. No, in other way, like zero startup. Without coaching, we can educate people.
Yes,
Right? I mean, you become appreciated and you become appreciable when you speak off beat actually, right? So try to mention the thing which is unthinkable for the people. I know we can make money by educating people, but don't tell people the way people educate. Like if you say I will start my tuition, I'll start my coaching classes. Everybody knows that. Then what is unique idea of yours? Beautiful. So tell me the best way that we can educate people and simultaneously we can make money as well. Any other way? Any other way?
There are millions of people in actually we are living in our nation which is India.
Yeah.
As I know that being an Indian, I want not only to educate myself or my family.
Yeah.
I want to educate the complete and pan India. The whole nation I want to be educated. Want that they should be educated.
Of course.
And by making them educated, I can also earn money. Like I can also be the hope for the people. As well as earning
What is your step? Like how will you be starting?
First of all, we will start in a such manner that first of all we will have to connect the people.
have to connect
Because
people?
yeah, we will have to provide the free of cost education so we can connect with the people. And
See,
if we are
when the
providing
moment, see the moment you start providing for free of cost, the people start disvaluing. Because अरे फ्री में पढ़ा रहा है यार क्या इसका मतलब? I mean, I'm sorry to say, like people think like that
yeah,
sometimes.
exactly,
like,
the people are not giving the value to the free of cost things.
education, right? So tell me the best way.
not free of cost. It will be low cost, not free of
Oh,
cost.
Everyone
beautiful.
can get the privileges of that thing, and everyone the price should be affordable, so everyone can afford.
So Miss Jyoti, like here your members and your captains are deciding that we should focus on education and this is the best startup. So do you think this is the best way? Little bit, try. I think
Sir, I think so
this is
this is
broken English. I think this business idea good.
okay. Sir, I think so I think my business idea is different.
Okay, what is your business idea?
My business idea is the eco-friendly environment.
Oh.
Plus,
Very nice, very nice.
plus people is generated to opportunity like jobs या startup like जैसे कि like plastic material to हाँ reuse.
इसको मान लीजिए कोई फेंका है, ठीक है? इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
सर इसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं हम इसे एक क्या बोलते हैं
कटोरी बना ले.
या कटोरी या फिर इसका यूज़ करके हम इसमें पानी भी कवर कर सकते हैं लाइक ये हम इसे एक साइड से ये करें ठीक है तो हम इसे कभी भी यानी कि थोड़ा मोड़ा पानी इसमें भर सकते हैं तो एक तरीके के यूजेस है
नहीं तो पानी भर के इसमें क्या करेंगे?
सर कुछ भी कर सकते हैं यानी कि ये इसको थोड़ा धुल करके हम कहीं पानी थोड़ा मोड़ा चाहिए हमें तो उसका ये भी कर सकते हैं या फिर
Exactly. या फिर हम लोग वो डोर मैट बना सकते हैं.
डो मेट बना सकते हैं
हाँ, exactly.
या फिर
कुछ
इसका
इस तरह का सोचना है, देख रहे हो? ये
ग्राफ्टिंग
बेटर आइडियाज है.
इट्स ग्राफ्टिंग
इट इज डिफरेंट एक्चुअली. मतलब नाला से कैसे सामान निकाल के यूज किया जाए, ऐसा कुछ सच्ची बता रहा हूँ, है ना?
या इसका यूज यानी कि इस यूजेस फॉर कलर लाइक
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
कलर एंड इस कवर टू यानी कि क्रिएटिंग टू
एग्जैक्टली.
ट्री
हाँ हम लोग ये सब उठा के जो है पता है हाईवे एक्सप्रेसवे पे डिजाइन बना सकते हैं. हाँ एग्जैक्टली साइड बाय साइड में, राइट? Beautiful, of course, right? Come on, guys, go outside, observe something well. But everybody should speak something. Yes, right? Of course.
Yes, sir.
Why are you sleeping here? Come on. How's it going?
It's fine, sir.
So, do you think you have better ideas?
100%. sir.
Really?
And I am worried about after explaining my idea, no one can steal it. Real.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What is unique about you?
This is really the idea no one has thought about it.
Don't tell that. But I would like to tell you that you have to motivate people. The best idea to have a startup, and that startup should be motivational for people so that people could start earning money.
Yes, according to you. 100%.
I mean, according to your motivation and by your motivation, everybody should be able to.
Yes, sir.
Right? Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir. But in this startup, there is little investment. After
Like how
this-
much approximately?
It is moderate, not
It's moderate.
It is moderate.
That's fine. But after some time you have to go outside as well. You have to observe some shops. You have to discuss completely in English language, right? You have to go outside, observe something, and capture some photos as well.
Okay.
Because you have to show people that we observed this, we observed this. So we came to know that this is the best idea.
We need some pictures for this.
Of course, why not? And by sitting here, you will just think something. Thought thing should not be spoken.
And so you have to told we have to motivate people.
Of course,
After telling the name of investment, they have become motivated.
they will become motivated.
They will become motivated.
What is that? Excuse me.
Should I explain?
No, don't tell that. Excuse me. Otherwise, the joy will be no more.
Okay, sir. I will start.
But everybody should make them speak as well. Little, few points. Everybody should be able to speak. Make this session successful so that we can think some other things too. If this session goes unsuccessful, I will be like, oh my God.
No, sir. This will not come.
All right, all right. When did you come here? Right now?
Yes, sir.
Hey, you already know everything, right? Motivate them. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam.
How are you, sir?
Assalamu alaikum. Happy G, you are dangerous personality.
No, sir.
Where were you, man? I was waiting for you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, sir.
Hello, sir.
How are you? Acha, you came here, right? You are on the time, right? देखो, इससे भी स्टार्टअप है,
Yes, sir.
इससे भी स्टार्टअप है. But you have to think the best, so that you could motivate people. Excuse me, come on. Tell that we will collect so many stones, and we will just, what do you say, polish
Yes, sir.
that stone, and we will try to sell it to the people for designing the house. I mean, everywhere, the polythenes that we are getting outside, this is also the best way to collect it and reuse it. पर वही है ना, मैं सोचिया बढ़ानी पड़ेगी. तो आप लोग अपना अपना एक बेहतर आइडियाज उठाइए और सबको बोलना है. वैसे आज तो पूरा दिन हमें लग रहा है ऑब्जर्वेशन में जाएगा आप लोग का. Alright, we will go outside as well for observation. Please. Hi, master. Hello.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you for joining. So, are you doing well?
Yeah, I was listening to them actually. They were doing
Yeah. So come here. Excuse me. After this, master.
Hi, yes, sir.
So you are so late today.
Yeah, actually, I was at office. That's why I'm just.
That's beautiful. So I would like to know that today we have conducted this outdoor, observational activity. So do you
Of
think
course.
that's going to be successful today?
Of course, it is, and it is going on very well because people are discussing and they are just, going to just express after a while. So I
So
think,
nowadays, the construction is going on right at office. So how long will it go?
I think it will take 2 to 3 days more.
Really? But
Really,
people have been saying that. You have been saying that. Yeah, exactly. The work is not being completed. The construction work is going on.
Yeah, because something is left, and I think it is going to be completed after 2 and 3 days.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So fine. I just named it that it is an outdoor observational activity.
Of course, yes.
Just go, reach, explore, come back,
Of course.
and speak the best idea. Share the best idea to have one startup.
Yes.
Right? According to you, if you have to have one startup, what will be your suggestion for those people who do not have much money?
Okay.
And if they have to have one startup, what would you say?
See, before starting a business, we have to see the area.
Oh,
we have to
that's a great
yeah,
idea.
We have to see the need and requirement of the people. We
Alright.
do not, and we should not just start any business. I'm not saying just a small business and any kind of big business. We do not have to start just like this.
Yeah.
We should go again and again in that area, in which area you want to open.
I mean, survey matters.
Survey and explore and just observe, take the observation from the people, like
Right.
what are they just just looking for, and
Oh,
just
yeah.
and we have to see these all the things. Then
We
we
have
should
to
start.
read the need of people.
Of course, yes.
Fine,
Then we
so-
should just start from beginning. Of course, we
What
do
if I
not.
have to start, fruit shop, right?
So
So
you
which-
should yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, if you want to open just fruit shop, so you should open in front of gym. Of course, yes. People are going
What
to
are you
take.
talking about?
And one more option.
In
And
front of gym, I think I should sell eggs.
eggs you can sell, fruits and you can sell, and if you want to sell fruits, you can also open in front of hospitals. Because
A hospital?
of course.
Who is gonna buy my bill? Who's gonna buy my
No,
nariyal there?
you nariyal,
In front of a hospital, you are selling nariyal there?
people will be just taking the water of that nariyal, that coconut.
Oh, you're talking
water.
about the
Yeah.
raw one.
Of course.
Oh.
Like if you're gonna sell the fruits, it doesn't mean you are going to sell only just coconut and bale, something
Of
like that. You
course,
sell.
yeah.
You will be selling apple. You will be selling just banana. You will be selling many more things.
Of
so
course.
people come there just for in Urdu people say for iddat.
Oh
है ना?
my
so
God,
they are
yeah,
gonna
iddat.
just take the a kg
What do you
of,
mean by iddat? Can you just explain? a
for
little
just
bit?
going into the hospital or at home to see the just patient.
Okay.
Yeah.
To see the patient for what? I mean.
Like for example, one of my relatives is sick, so I have to go there. In Urdu, people say,
Oh,
"Iyadat."
iddat. My goodness.
No, sorry.
I-
Iyadat. I'm sorry.
Iyadat. In Urdu, we
Iyadat.
call it iyadat.
हाँ.
It took me muddat to understand actually, right? So people go for iyadat.
Yeah, of course. So,
So-
if people go to see the patient, so they just take something
right?
with them. So they
Yeah.
will be purchasing apple and banana, something like that.
So for iyadat, you're earning money.
No. I will be my business. I will be doing my business. People will be coming to me. People will be purchasing. So
Right.
I do not.
So you have better idea that we should start this kind of startups like selling fruits in front of hospitals,
Huh.
in front of gym,
Of
because
course.
it
Huh.
requires. So all your motive is like it was like we should have a survey and we should start where it is required.
Of course, yes.
That's beautiful. Here, our trainees are really motivated today. Our trainees are really, finding the best way so that they could tell
course.
the whole nation, actually, right? Like lakhs of the people are going to watch us.
Of course,
And
yes.
like our prime minister also says that स्वयं का विकास, स्वयं का रोजगार.
yeah,
So do
yeah.
you think that कि स्वयं को रोजगार के लिए हमारे trainees कुछ अच्छा कर पाएंगे?
Of course, because the way they are exploring, the way they are just discussing, the way they are just taking the ideas from each other, it means they are going to motivate your audience on the YouTube, as
Alright.
well as they are going to give some offbeat points so that we can also start and people are going to just do something in their life.
Beautiful. Everybody, we have to go outside now. We have to go outside now. This group is looking demotivated, actually, right?
Hello.
Everybody, nobody can leave Capsar. Everybody loves Capsar. Of course, it's impossible. अगर इनकी चले तो कसम से यहाँ शादी कर ले लखनऊ में और जाए ना जिंदगी भर. Of course. किसी ने क्या खूब कहा है कि यदि मोहब्बत हो गई लखनऊ से तो भैया घर बेचकर यहाँ आ जाएंगे आप.
बट सर मोहब्बत होने के लिए आपके पास पैसा होना चाहिए लखनऊ में।
घर बिक रहा है ना.
घर बिक रहा है।
पैसा क्या जरूरी है?
भाई मेरे लखनऊ
नहीं, लखनऊ से मोहब्बत.
पैसा होना चाहिए।
नहीं, जब लखनऊ अपने बाहों में भर लेता है तो फिर आपके पास पैसे भी भर जाते हैं.
किसी ने क्या कहा है कि लखनऊ से मोहब्बत करने के लिए लखनऊ में रहना जरूरी नहीं है, लखनऊ को अंदर रहना जरूरी है।
कहाँ से आते हैं ये लोग? कौन है ये लोग? कौन? भागलपुर से आ रहे हैं, right? By the way, so now we have to go outside. Master,
मात सर।
the king so is mad. I think he should start a gym now.
Yes sir.
My goodness, I'm looking like Baguli here, and you are looking Bagula here. No, excuse. Any motivation for the people? Excuse me, come on.
Yes, so people are going to just let
First
us
tell
know.
me, do you know what is happening today?
Yeah,
When I
you-
came, you were sleeping. You don't know.
I came, but I went to the office because some people came. So
All right,
yeah,
come on,
by-
tell people, right?
By the way, so people are going to let us know how to just start any startup.
Yeah.
Just with a small budget and just with some amount. Those have just some money. How can they just grow their business?
Of course, yeah.
This
that's
is
fine.
the what they are going to let us know, right? By the way, guys, so you have observed the people. You have just learned many more things. But I would just give you some more things before starting anything. It doesn't matter you are going to start a small business and big business. Before starting, we should read the need of the people. We
What?
should, of course.
My
You
goodness.
should, of course, you should go read need of the people.
People is key.
And before starting in a business, we should go into that area where you want to start. Go and explore and just take the observation. What is the lacking in that area?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter you are going to sell egg. It doesn't matter you are going to sell any fruits. It doesn't matter you are going to sell any mumfali
Barfi?
and chutney. Yeah, of course. But you have to see You do not have to see the competition over there. See how the people are selling. If you are going to do something unique over there, it means you are going to grow very easily.
I'm going to start right now.
Yes, you can go and start.
So if I have to sell, you know, fruits,
You can.
where should I sell? Come on, tell the best location.
Yeah, 2 locations just I have in my mind. Just you can open in front of gym as well as in
Gym?
front of, yeah, of course.
You are already promote
Yeah,
gym
for that-
actually.
yeah, of course, and in front of hospitals as well. Yeah,
Yes?
yeah, of course.
Hospital?
Yeah, of course.
Patient is already in the coma.
So
Nariyal is going to.
if no, they need.
How can coconut work there?
If people are going to come to that patient, people will be just carrying and bringing the
Watermelon.
What? No, not
What?
watermelon. Like apple, banana, something like that. They are just going
Oh.
to carry.
Excuse me. But the person who carries and who takes apples, the patient never eats.
But
Those who take care of patient, they eat.
they.
So why do we need to carry or take apples for the patient?
I think it has become our ritual, and it has become exactly. If any relatives comes, in the hospital and to see any patient, they just
Relative.
carry 1 kg and 2 kg, 5 kg. Just
And I have one more idea.
yes, please let us know.
You should sell where marriages are more.
Marriages.
Hey, how can we know marriages? Like पता नहीं क्या हमारे गांव में ऐसा चलता है मामला शादी से पहले ले तेरी दर्जन दर्जन
हाँ, yes, they distribute.
मुंह
yeah,
दिखाई क्या चलता है मतलब engagement mangani in mangani there are so many tangani of course right
Yes.
by the way guys, so I hope you understood. With your groups, let's go outside, observe something. You have 1 day. You can observe 2 minutes outside, it's up to you. You can observe whole day, it's up to you. Observe the best idea, go, discuss. We will see you in the morning again tomorrow. At the same time, with better ideas, we will be sharing in front of the people. If you speak the best, if you share the best idea, we will certify you with certificates and some trophies as well. So, go and try the best. And here, I'm not going to sleep. I am going to come back to you. I will be observing till I will be able to see. I will be here only. So with your group, go somewhere. If you feel any problems, if you feel any hesitation, any dikkat, any obstacles, any hindrance, do call us. We will be there.